from my given disaster. Speed away from the holy mind.
Cymye here!
Now we are in Shenzhen trying to see the new kind of the delivery. We are in front of one machine and all the deliveries made by drone. It's very interesting, but we need to have some thoughts. What do you think about this? You just talk with the delivery guy, and what is his opinion?
I think this drone delivery is very innovative and can cut off delivery time significantly. Like we said, 30 minutes can cut off that, and also it's very convenient. You know?
Yeah, they don't need to break the rules because they don't need to rush and maybe go through the red lights.
Yeah. But you know, in some extreme conditions like bad weather or the products goods is extremely heavy, the drones cannot do. So.
Yeah, it can. The payload is like maximum 3 kg and the maximum distance is 3 kilometers radius. And then we asked about some questions. They said that if it's light raining, it's okay, but like a storm or hurricane, this kind of situation, no. So the delivery people still think it will be hard to replace them because it still have many situations they cannot work. And then we ask about the cost. For example, how much costs one drone?
Yeah, so it's like one drone, because they have to plus the research and development fee. Like one drone maybe costs more than 100k RMB. That's about to 20k US dollars. Or 20k US dollars per drone.
I'm not good at math, so later maybe I put in the screen.
Maybe we can steal the drone. Steal it.
It's still on sale. Well, let's wait here in the night. But then we asked how much about one of these small stage? Stage?
It's platform.
Platform, right? And then they said around 300k RMB. It's crazy expensive right now, but maybe when they start to do mass production, it will be cheaper. And then we also asked what happened if this one become full, because right now you can see it's still small and it still have people collecting the packets out. But they said that in the future these platforms will be very big, so will not happen this problem, and also will not need to have the people taking the packets inside and put out, and also the guy that's taking care about the drone here will not be here anymore. In the future will be in the like a big station, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
And we also had some other questions. But let's just show the whole thing, maybe. What do you think?
Let's order something. Let's try to go to the kitchen to see how they prepare, and the collection, the packaging, and everything else we can show to you guys right now. He said, he is actually the first time to show this drone deliver as well. And he thinks it's impossible to replace themselves. Because, you know, maybe the bad weather or some other situations will deliver. So wait. Oh, it's a traffic jam. It's a drone traffic jam. You see, now it's coming a new one, but here in the platform already have another one.
Let's see if we will collide or something.
Let's see if that one will wait. What do you think, Sammy?
I think, that thing will definitely replace those delivery guys, I think. And I think my backup choice will be gone, because if I don't do videos, I can be a delivery guy. Now, it seems this drone just take out my job. Take my job, you know.
No, you can be the security guy taking care of the drones.
Okay, so there's a guy here, customer here, they take out the order, and then they just take out.
Yeah, did you see, guys? This is a customer. Is taking out the package, and then you can see the door inside.
Or the cut off the time, like to cut off at least like 30 minutes.
Whoa!
Oh yeah, and so the delivery guys don't need to running the red lights.
Oh, that's true.
Break the rules. And more, more fresh. The food will be more fresh.
Thank you very much.
谢谢谢谢谢谢。
Bye bye. You can see right now this is the system. If you want to collect your package, you can input your code here. Oh my god, I just made a mistake. And if you want to send the package, you can choose this option. Then you can put the box inside this station and the drone will come here to collect and deliver in the other place. Now we are trying to do one competition. We will order from the same place in the same time to deliver in the same place.
Exactly.
But maybe he will order from the machine and I will order from the scooter guy.
Yeah.
And let's check who will arrive first.
Yeah. So first we input the address first.
Yeah.
So
Now you can see we have the option to choose by drone or by bike.
yeah.
So let's order together and see who arrives first.
So I'm choosing the drone. Simi choosing the
Yeah,
normal delivery guy.
yeah. So let's do.
Let's do. Okay. Yeah, we placed at the same time. Now let's compete. So you see, yours is like a normal guy. Mine is like a drone. You can see there is even a drone icon there.
Oh yeah,
So yours is a normal guy. Mine is a drone. Now let's compete now.
yeah.
Yeah, but the thing is, the estimated the delivery time is the same. Mine
Yeah.
is like 1:54.
And mine is
55.
155. But let's check.
Let's see.
But there is one thing I need to mention. Right now, you order by the drone, right? And I
Yes.
order by the bike.
Exactly.
And now it's okay because I'm here. But if I am at home and maybe my home is like 10 or 20 meters
Yeah,
away
yeah,
from here,
yeah.
I would order from the bike because they can just go there. But
Yeah,
if you are
that's
there,
true.
you need to come here and take the package.
Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing.
Yeah.
But right now, like in China, is that thing. The delivery guy sometimes cannot go to your community.
Oh,
they
this
have
is
to
so
put it
true.
on the rack
Yeah.
at the front door or somewhere. So yeah, let's
Yeah,
just compete. Just what time to deliver here?
But this is also another thing they said the advantage because right now this kind of delivery is more safe if you have some other pandemics and people
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
get in touch with each other. Maybe this is one solution for the future.
Yeah, that's true. So now let's just wait.
Yeah.
Wait for my first drone order.
Oh, my bike I think
Yeah.
maybe is taking.
Mine is nothing.
Maybe I will win.
Yeah. Okay, let me check with the technical guy.
Now is the moment, and in my app it says my driver is 312 meters from here and it will take 1 minute. And yours?
Yeah, mine is still like they said, the drone is flying, it's delivering, but we don't know
Exactly how long will
how
take.
long. Yeah.
Yeah, but some drone took the package before my guy.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Oh, mine is there.
No way!
I can hear the buzz. I can hear the buzz now.
Where is my guy?
This?
I don't know. No,
Okay.
it's coming. It's coming.
Where is my? I can hear. I think it's mine.
Oh, my guy is calling. Can you help me?
Okay.
Is this one?
哎，你好。哦，这个。
Yay!
Okay, so.
My package delivered first.
Okay, you are sure.
Thank you.
So faster.
Faster.
So my drone is still. I can see that. I think that's mine.
That is
我觉得那个也
drone.
是我的可能。Yeah, that's
So
mine.
almost in the same time. You see the some drone is
Yeah,
coming.
it's already there, but Simi already got her package now. So, but I guess this is somehow not fair
Yeah.
because it's too short.
Yeah, this is too short.
Too short distance.
Yeah, and maybe if there is some place with more hills, right? it will
Yeah,
influence because
exactly. Traffic lights.
Traffic
let's
lights,
say.
yeah. Because
So-
Shenzhen is like a plan, so
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah.
easy for bikes to run.
Yeah, sure.
Ooh. Oh, let's take the good footage and we can
Yeah.
see collecting
But-
the
But
drink in
anyway,
there.
yeah, but anyway, it's there.
Yeah, it's coming.
It's coming.
Humanity still have chance, you see? Sami package is arriving.
Okay, that's my
Woo.
first. That's my first one. That's my first drone package.
Yeah. Now we are checking what will happen in the app because in his app it was showing the way. And now I'm not sure if it will show as delivered.
Yeah. Sorry, it's the
Yeah, it's okay.
clock. Alarm. Okay.
Now we can see
So let's
the guy collecting.
yeah, let's see like what will happen to my phone. So I want to check now. So the drop.
Oh yeah, the drone just dropped some box there.
Oh, you see that bird?
Oh yeah.
What if it hit a bird? Okay, yeah. And now I received a message and said, your delivery was done by the drone. Please go to where the platform located and use this code to take your order. Okay, and now this is my code. The one you can take or you can save. Okay, anyway, let's take out my order. And then we input the password, the code 063064. Open. And then we have the box here, right?
Yeah.
And then we just put it here.
You can
Just
see
put
it's
it here.
empty.
Yeah. So that's it. That's our delivery.
Oh, and you can see they put one, how to say, the base, so the cup will not fall.
Yeah. They will not spill out. So the drone delivery is actually very stable, I guess.
Comparing mine with Sami, the guy just bring it in his hands, so it was a little danger for it to fall out, right? But Sami was very well packaged.
Yeah.
So maybe the drone was 1+ for this one.
But the thing is, I didn't record the screen.
You didn't record the screen?
We didn't.
Oh
The whole time I didn't record the screen.
No way! This is the Mate One box. They need to be in this size or else the drone cannot collect and also cannot fit in the machine. And you can see this one have some delivery, so people need to come here and collect these packages. You can see nobody will steal your package because we'll have some cameras, and Chinese people usually don't take any packages. Sometimes you can see the packages on the street and it will be there until you collect. Especially now in the COVID situation, sometimes they will just leave the package in the pickup point, and usually the pickup point is just anywhere. Any place that people can take your package, but nobody will take. I need to be honest, our drinks arrived and I was not expecting in my drink you will have some rice inside. Please leave in the comments if the country you live have the drink with rice inside, and it's purple rice. I never saw this. I really need to be honest, it's very different for me. It's delicious, but yeah, I was not expecting. And I want to know how many packets they could deliver, the maximum quantity.
It varies from spots to spots. Like for this spot, it's like the maximum, like they took it like 90 orders per day, but sometimes like 60 or 50. It depends. So it depends, the location. Yeah.
Oh yeah. By the way, we asked, and Shenzhen is the first place they are trying all of this.
Exactly.
And we asked how many of these machines have in Shenzhen, and they said around 15 points, right? But
15.
they are planning to expand all of this. And how is your opinion about our first drone delivery?
I think it's innovative, and it's interesting to try this. And if like the distance is short, then maybe the traditional delivery would be faster. But if it's like a long way, also the mountain, lots of hills here and there,
maybe during
drone will be
the
much faster.
traffic jam,
Exactly.
6 p.m.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So I think it's good. It's interesting.
Yeah.
It's interesting.
I think I would order again, but if the machine is near my home, if it's too far, I'm the lazy person.
Yeah. I think I will order sometimes.
Yeah.
But the place from where I live take some time.
Yeah. So it's something to consider. Now let's go to the shop because we want to see how they prepare the packages and then how they send out.
Yeah.
So let's go.
Let's go. well, let's go to the spot where the drone take off. They allow us to shoot there. So let's go and ask some questions there. Let's go.
Let's go. Now we are arriving in the land and takeout spot. So Sami is ordering one more package. They will bring it here, so we will send it to ourselves, but in the other place.
Exactly.
And then, one drone is
Just gone. Is that
Gone.
mine?
is that yours?
Seems not updated yet.
Oh my god. So yeah, we will try to record everything since they put the package on the drone. And here on the floor you can see some spots. They have different QR codes and they're preparing the packages.
Oh, is that mine?
I'm not sure. They are preparing one package. Let's go. There is another drone coming back home. The delivery man just bring the package here. And here you can see this is the Sami package. They were put inside the box, and you can see they will put the box on the drone. Eh? Seems will drop, right? They just in the sides. You can see the sides have some holes. Oh no? I'm very confused how this drone attached the box. They have a hook that goes on the cover and also on the hole. Bye-bye! These are the battery drones. Very big. Now we are inside of the shopping mall, and all the restaurants here just need to take the package to the 5th floor, and then they will send out the package here on the rooftop. You see, the drone is just taking off. As you can see, now the future maybe is drone delivery, autonomous drone delivery. They don't need people to drive it, but it still have some people will need to monitor them. Maybe not one by one, but a lot. And as you can see, it's still in the first stage. In the beginning, they will improve a lot. And there is some questions still in our head, right? For example, like maybe if there is so many drones, it will get a traffic jam on the air. Or what kind of questions do we have?
Well, like what if like crash or crash with the lots of questions actually.
For now, they said it's super safe, no accident. But if happen, and we don't know, we can see some future for this technology. I think it will be very useful in the future, but right now people don't need to worry about lose their job, because it will take a lot of time for machines to take care of this, and a lot of job will appear with this new technology, right?
That's true. So anyway, I think we should always give a thumbs up for such innovative technology, right? But still, I think there's still a long way to go. So we just can't wait to see what's the thing going to take us to, right?
And if you like our content, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and to Sammy's channel.
Thank you.
And see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.